How to start an online business as an introvert. If you've ever wanted an online business, but the idea of sales calls, building a personal brand, or being on camera makes you cringe, I got you. Online arbitrage is the perfect introvert business. You find discounted products from big retail sites, list them on Amazon, and let Amazon handle the rest. Shipping, customer service, everything. No sales skills, no followers, no awkward conversations. And if you want a step-by-step plan to start, that's what the O8 Challenge is for. It's a live 14-day program that shows you exactly how to do this, even if you're starting from scratch. Click the link in the description and join the next O8 Challenge. Let's build your business quietly and profitably.